Alright guys, so the first stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. And I was going to start a lot earlier this morning, you guys, but I've had a crazy morning. My Python actually escaped and I was just rummaging through my house all morning trying to find him. I ended up finding him, that little guy, and I got my coffee. So we're all good to go for this morning, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. So yesterday we closed down 3%, and this morning we're down nearly another 2%, okay? Let's check our volume. We're at 202,000, so that's a lot more than we usually see in the pre-market for Tesla. So it's above that 150,000 threshold that we like to see, so that's beautiful. Let's go on to our chart. So we're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find an overall direction and trend of our stock, our support and resistance lines, our targets, our entries, and all that other good stuff. So let's go ahead and go over that for our new viewers, and then we'll get into where we're at currently, okay? So this top line represents our major, I'm sorry, I'm trying to move this over just a little bit. It's not cooperating. But this top line over here is our major resistance. You can see once we came up, we got rejected here, 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 and here, ultimately about 4 or 5 times until the last one over here, and pushed us all the way back down to our major support line over here. And you can see it worked as a floor or a support, bounced from right here, over here, and over here. And we can look left, we can see that it was working as resistance as well and bounced from over here, causing this initial uptrend back over here, okay? So those are our heavily tested areas. We have to respect these lines, you guys. They're very, very important, okay? Forgive me. All right, so let's get into where we're at with the individual candlesticks. So I told you guys that once we were under this resistance, we had trouble breaking past this area. You can see that every time we came up, we got rejected, and we wanted to see a breakout for it to come up and create a higher low and retest our support level. And if you look at this right now, that's exactly what we did, you guys. We created this breakout right here. We came up, created this higher low, and started pulling back right down to our major support line. This is a beautiful textbook buy setup, you guys. You cannot get any more perfect than this. Yes, we are below the trend line. Yes, on the RSI, it looks like we are reversing. However, you guys have to take into the fact that of where we're pulling back to, and that is our major support line. So if you wanted to get in today, I don't see it as an issue as long as you have your stop loss or a mental stop loss when getting in, okay? So you have two ideal stop losses. You can have a tight stop loss under our support at maybe the 588 or 585, or you can have, if you're planning on holding longer term like swing trading or core trading, you can have a mental stop loss at the 564 level. So if we do break back below this support level, we know the relative strength of Tesla and we'll be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry. But overall, you guys, we're creating this higher low. It looks really, really good because we are on the support. So your first target would be back up at the 630 level, and then overall your second target is going to be back all the way up here at the $703 level. And then once we get back up to this area, if we do, then we can start talking about the $800 level being our next target. However, for right now, it's going to be around the 636 and the 702, okay? So I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently, you guys. And if you learned anything or if this helped in any type of way, please, please, please hit that like and subscribe button. It literally means everything to me. It helps the algorithm for YouTube to get my video out so more people can see this beautiful content, okay? So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.